All right, we have more news coming in. Caught on camera when the killer Mumbai driver fled. The bus driver grabs backpack, jumps out of the window. Cops probe of the killer driver was intentional. Bus may have been used as a weapon. So we have this story, in fact, developing even further. The very moment when the bus driver jumps out of the vehicle, he killed 7, hurt nearly 50 people, is what we know. Vidya getting in more details on that story at this point in time. Vidya, the probe in this matter intensifying even further, that the bus could have been used as a weapon. If you could give us more details about this, it seems to be that a case of conspiracy, some sort of a conspiracy to deliberately cause hurt then.
Well, that is one of the aspects that they are really looking at, whether he had the knowledge, the driver had the knowledge that as to what is happening, whether that could have been very lethal. And that's one of the reasons why the probe, interrogation and trying to find out from his near and dear ones as to who he was in touch with and all that, that's really being done. It's still at a very preliminary stage as of now, but it is one of the aspects of the entire investigation that is being done to find out as to what led, because remember, the RTO people have been stating that in their preliminary examination of the bus, the brakes were all right. The driver's family have been stating that he has a very good experience. For the last many decades he has been driving. So in spite of all these, then what could have led to this gruesome incident wherein we saw 7 people who were just heading home, meeting with their death. And that's one of the reasons why this probe, the Mumbai police is probing this entire incident from almost every aspect to find out what really led to this incident.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Vidya getting into those details as far as that horrific accident in Mumbai there is concerned. The very moment when the driver was seen jumping out of the bus, a conspiracy angle is what is being looked at.